Hello everyone, I'm here with some exciting news. First of all, SinysTinyPieces is now called Sini Loop Studio. I think the new name describes better what I'm doing because not everything I make is so tiny and yet everything has loops in it. Knitting, crocheting, even macrame knots are made of loops. So Sini Loop Studio from now on. You can follow me on www.sinyloopstudio.fi. Then I'm also giving a small sneak peek on my latest design. This is a crochet top. It's called Mist Mesh Top, at least yet. I'm not showing it all the way. This is really ultimate wear for beach, for parties, wherever people are going to have fun in the summer. It's cotton, it's really comfortable yet stylish, and this beautiful network-liking pattern is made only by two crochet rows, so it's really easy. I will soon have a test call for this design, so if you are interested in joining the test group, you will get the free pattern and you will be of course among the first to get to wear this garment. So keep your eyes open and follow me.